Hi there. In this video, we'll go through a simple JavaScript program that calculates the difference between a given number and 13. If the given number is larger than 13, it will return double the absolute difference. Let's see how this works. Here's the task. If the number is less or equal to 13, we simply return the difference. But if it's greater than 13, we double the absolute difference. Here's the JavaScript code. We define a function difference that checks whether the number n is less than or equal to 13. If it is, we return the simple difference. Otherwise, we return double the difference. In this example, the number 32 is greater than 13, so the program calculates the difference as 32 minus 13 and multiplies it by 2, giving us 38. In the second example, 11 is less than 13, so the program simply returns 13 minus 11, which is 2. Here is a shorter version using ES6 arrow functions and a ternary operator. The logic is the same, but with more concise syntax. And that's the program. Now you know how to compute a difference and apply special conditions using JavaScript. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more programming lessons like this.